Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a paper tea set. First, gather your materials. Paper, scissors, and glue are essential. You might also want markers or stickers for decoration to personalize your set. This easy method is perfect for a fun crafting session, allowing you to create a charming tea set with minimal effort and supplies. Let's begin by preparing our workspace. Now let's craft the teapot. Begin by cutting a large paper circle or rectangle, then fold and glue it to create the main body. Next, fashion a handle and spout from smaller paper strips, attaching them securely with glue. Finally, make a small, slightly domed lid to sit on top. Remember, precision isn't key. Embrace the handmade charm of your paper creation. Moving on to the cups and saucers, these are quite simple to make. For the cups, roll small pieces of paper into cones or cylinders and secure them with glue. Then, cut slightly larger paper circles to act as the saucers for your cups. Once assembled, you can decorate each piece with your favorite colors and patterns, adding a personal touch to your miniature tea party set. Once your paper tea set is complete, the real fun begins. Personalize each piece with markers, glitter, or any decorative items you like. Imagine hosting a pretend tea party with your new creations, inviting friends or toys for a delightful gathering. For more great deals, and to find the Echo Dot smart speaker, check the link in the description below. Enjoy countless hours of imaginative play with your handmade paper tea set, bringing joy and creativity to your day.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.